When I purchased my first home, I signed up for the largest amount of debt in my life, larger than my school loans, credit card bills, or card payment combined. It was a massive amount of money that seemed like it would take forever to pay off. I developed the Home Mortgage Tracker Spreadsheet as a homeowner for homeowners to help all of us track and manage paying off our home loans as efficiently as possible. With a few simple inputs from your loan agreement, you can easily view a state-of-the-art dashboard showing you how the bank would like you to pay them back and also how much money they expect to profit from your loan. As you make your monthly payments and put extra dollars towards your loan, you can begin to see your trajectory compared to the original agreement. I don't know about you, but this is a huge motivator for myself to keep putting extra dollars towards the loan. The tracker not only gives you visibility into what you are paying, but also lets you easily see the money you can keep if you put a little bit more towards your monthly payments. By using the analysis section of the dashboard, you can quickly see the effects of paying a little bit more each month. For example, if you increase your monthly payment going forward by $500, the dashboard might calculate that you save well over $8,000 by the time the loan is fully paid off. That's money you keep in your pocket and not sent off to the bank. For most people, seeing is believing, and the Home Mortgage Tracker does a tremendous job at showing you exactly how you are paying for your home. You can purchase the spreadsheet or try the light version for free at thespreadsheetguru.com/mortgage tracker.